This is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, and it's not just a smartphone, it's a mobile photography revolution, designed with the passion of photographers and the visions of creators. It transforms ordinary moments into extraordinary masterpieces.
Muay Thai isn't just a sport. It is a symphony of position, a battle of speed, and raw emotion. Capturing its essence requires the right tool. So, what makes the Xiaomi 15 Ultra ideal for moments like these?
Let's talk lenses, the holy trinity of photography.
I begin with the wide-angle lens. With a single tap, I switch to the 23mm f1.63 main lens, featuring a massive 1-inch sensor that brings me closer to the fighter. This large sensor absorbs more light, ensuring sharp details and stunning depth of field. And just as the fight reaches its peak, I transition to the super telephoto zoom. This 100mm lens is built for speed and precision, capturing every kick and strike in razor-sharp detail, even from across the ring.
In Muay Thai, a fight can be won or lost in a split second, and so can a great photo. That's where the new Xiaomi 15 Ultra 200MP telephoto zoom lens comes in. This powerhouse ensures no detail is lost, even when cropping in.
Take this shot for example. Using only a built-in editor, I can crop in without sacrificing image quality. Low light, no problem.
The next-gen Leica Lumilux lens has you covered. With advanced optic and larger aperture, it processes more light, delivering perfectly balanced images even in the most challenging conditions. And the colors? Uncompromised.
Co-engineered with Leica, these lenses capture rich, vibrant tones even in shadows, with custom-tuned Leica color profiles that keeps every shot true to life.
The Xiaomi photography kit is a game changer.
Inspired by Leica cameras, this ergonomic case provides a sleek, secure grip, making mobile photography feels professional. It comes with a dedicated shutter button and customizable controls.
Now that the fight is over, let's review the shots.
The 200MP telephoto zoom and Leica Lumilux lens reveal every detail, even from afar, with breathtaking low-light shots that bring the ring's intensity to life.
The Xiaomi 15 Ultra isn't just a smartphone, it is a precision-engineered photography tool. It's built for those who live to capture the action and moments. So, what would you capture?
Xiaomi.